Hey guys, Adam here. Today we're going to run through the airbags on your Conqueror UEV-14. Opening up the front left-hand side of your toolbox, you'll find the control panel for the airbags. You have the on-off switch and two valves left and right to inflate and deflate the bags. It is extremely important to adjust the airbags before you set off on your adventure to make sure they're at the right height to travel down the road. It is important not to use the PSI reading on the pressure gauge to set the height of the van. This needs to be done with a tape measure. The correct ride height is achieved when the van is between 1/2 and 3/4 of max travel towards topping out the suspension. Be sure to release the handbrake before using the airbags to level the caravan on an uneven site, as this can stretch the cable otherwise. Make sure that the van is chocked and safely secured into position. Once you're happy that the van is nice and level, it's now time to reapply the handbrake and lower the rear stabilisers. Keeping in mind that the stabilisers there are to simply stabilise the van, not to try and lift one side. That's what your airbags are for. One of the other major benefits of having airbags in your caravan is you can utilise the compressor to inflate your tyres. Well, there you have it guys, that's how to effectively use your Conqueror UEV-14 airbag system. Happy camping.